In our lives, we often question ourselves more than often that what is the purpose of life? And once it is so important that once that realization comes, it actually triggers a very different perspective where you start noticing patterns. Very tiny details, and you start recognizing how your challenges are actually not just challenges but are shaping you and your life, your future. When the energy in your life becomes very organized, you experience the Ishwar Tattva. This is what we're talking about today. So, from awareness to witnessing to feeling I am this, we are now becoming organized, which is from Shiv Tattva to Shakti Tattva to Sada Shiv Tattva, and now we are in the Ishwar Tattva, awareness to creation. In this 36 tattva system of Kashmir Shaivism, Ishwar Tattva is the fourth level. Here the creation starts becoming more clearer, that purpose that we're talking about. Now your consciousness is an intelligent design, not chaotic, not random, but very structured and very meaningful, because now you're able to understand things a little bit more clearly. So instead of asking why is this happening, we should be asking ourselves what is being created through this. It could be a problem, it could be a challenge. So on a practical level, to align with the Ishwar Tattva, we need to first start taking responsibility of our choices, because creation only follows through action. Secondly, create something, anything like a plan, a habit, a project, even a small morning routine can change a lot of things, because this way you are consciously part of the creation. And then lastly, appreciate the order by organizing your space, clutter free space. Make sure that your goals are very clear, you speak with intention, because clarity in life again brings creation. Spiritually, Ishwar is not distant God who's controlling, it is the consciousness expressing itself intelligently through you, which is the ability to design your own life wisely and meaningfully. And here is the empowering truth: you are not a victim of fate. You are a participant in this creation where every thought you refine, every habit that you improve, every decision that you make consciously, you move closer to Ishwar. That is the awareness, the Ishwar awareness. So today, look at your life differently. Instead of chaos, try to see a canvas. Instead of problems, see that raw materials as to what you can create from it, because Ishwar Tattva reminds you you are not just awareness, you are the artist of your own experience.